It's IBC 2023. We're in Hall 10 and we are on the MultiDyne booth, and I'm joined by Sebastian. Hi Sebastian, how are you?
I'm very good. Nice to see you again this year.
Absolutely. Now you've got a lot going on, so we're going to do a whistle-stop tour of your booth. So where should we start with the products?
So yeah, certainly we got a lot of new products this year. We introduced some of those in Las Vegas at NAB show this year, but there are also some extra things showing at IBC this year. So one of the key products of key flag products is our SilverBack product line. We started expanding that with some power features. Due to the fact that a lot of broadcasters, some live events, wants to use cine cameras for the production, and the requirements asking for different voltages. Our product, which we introduced a few years ago, had APE. It's right now enabled to extend power for the powering purposes for those cameras. So last year we introduced a product called QS4 APE. That was the extension of the power with the multiply voltages. So it can go from 5 volts through 12, 24 volts with adjustable voltages.
Okay.
So that was product new last year. This year we incorporated and showing the product for our SilverBack line.
Okay.
So it's on the back of the Alexa 35. We have a live demo showing our SilverBack with SilverBack APE on it that enables the 24 volts voltage and power up the entire camera chain, but also enables broadcasters to use that unit also for some additional accessories. So from the lightning through teleprompter stuff like that can be enabled with the system. On the top of that, because it's not limited only to that type of the cine cameras, we also have on our demo stand we have a FR7 Sony camera, and our product line SilverBack, VB series product line also enables the power right now. So in our VB10 box, we're able to combine a power with cards for a different type of the signals, where we can enable the power. Like FR7 uses 19.5 volts to power the camera. We can enable the power up the camera. Plus, we can configure all the type of the signal that it's necessary to do production.
Right. Okay.
Plus, we add some extra power outputs for some other accessories. So this one is kind of like the newest, the biggest product that we're doing during this year show. Okay. Another introduction that we have at NAB, it's our HoneyBadger system.
I remember it well.
Yeah, so it's a nice big system. It's a fixed configuration that can do 8x8, 3G or 12G with 8x8 audios, where you can control gains. You can enable phantom power. Plus, you have a lot of options for the controls, for the Gigi, Dante, stuff like that, and of course all the intercom supports. So this is for a big fixed installation in like venues, colleges, sport events, when one side resides inside, one outside the venue, for the trucks to just plug in and just use it per event when it's necessary, right?
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
Now, couple of few things. We have our flagship of a SilverBullet product. So this year we introducing a new improved SilverBullet. So it's the simplest product we can have in our portfolio. Simple SDI, 12G to fiber and vice versa. What's specific about it? Certainly we improve performance. It's top notch, the best performance you can get out of these devices on the market. On the top of that, we are able to do all the formats. From the 12G, 6G, down to SD, AES, SMARTI, so we can go down there. So now one to cover all pretty much.
Right.
The biggest issue with those devices was always a heat dissipation. So we did a lot of engineering to now be able to run 12G, which generates a lot of heat, at least 50C. So now they are really reliable devices. So this is new. We're showing the IBC.
Okay.
On our VB series product line, we continue expanding what kind of a signal we can move over our system. So this year we're going to start shipping additional cards with our box, which will support HDMI inputs and HDMI outputs 2.0. So pretty much you can do that cross it with our SDI cards.
Right,
So you
okay.
can have an HDMI in, SDI out, vice versa, or HDMI to HDMI. So you have a lot of flexibility. So that opens another possibilities with this. On the top of that, we also been supporting a 1 gig Ethernet, but some of the flows require higher bandwidth. So we also have a 10 gig card coming out this year that you will be able to move 10 gig over our Ethernet ports. Plus, we're going to enable PoE++, which it's really power hungry. It's like 90 watts requirements. So that's also will be available with this product.
Wow. Okay.
Now, to wrap up, if it's not enough, also we got a new encoder decoder for the 4K NI 9205, which enables 12G SDI to be encoded or decoded through this box with some audio supports, stuff like that. So that's also a product which is ready. We introduce an NIB and shipping right now.
Wow.
Okay,
And
so
is
that's
ev- Is everything else ready and shipping as well? Yeah.
yes.
It's all on the shelf. Just waiting to go.
It's waiting to go. So most of the products just mentioned, it's pretty much we already supporting and shipping to customers.
Amazing. Well, I don't know what to say really, Sebastian. That was a rapid roundup of what you've got here at IBC. Where can people find out more information if they're not at the show?
If they're not on the show, they can check it on our website, multidyne.com. All the information should be there. Briefing from IBC show, it's also documented over there. So please visit our website.
Sebastian, thank you very much indeed. We don't know exactly what's going on the MultiDyne stand. Thanks to Sebastian. Do check it out on their website or come to Hall 10 if you're at IBC. For everything else we're doing, check out kitplus.com.